This is the Chapter 16, Sections 1 through 2 History Quiz. Number 1. Perhaps the most important border state was Kentucky, Delaware, Missouri, Maryland. Number 2. The South expected support from Britain and France because the war disrupted their supply of what? Sugar, cotton, rice, wheat. Number 3. For the South, the primary aim of the war was to gain recognition for having good soldiers, as slaveholders, as an independent nation, as a wealthy area. Number 4. What was one of the main advantages of the South? It had a small population, excellent military leaders, its belief in states' rights, its industrial base. Number 5. Most soldiers, both North and South, came from where? Farms, the East Coast, slums, cities. Number 6. The first major battle of the Civil War was at Shiloh, Antietam Creek, Bull Run, Richmond. Number 7. Who was the Union or the North general known as Unconditional Surrender blank? Ulysses S. Grant, David Farragut, Robert E. Lee, George B. McClellan. Number 8. In the West, the Union goal or the North goal was to control what? Texas, the Tennessee River, the Mississippi River, Missouri. Number 9. The single bloodiest day of the entire Civil War took place at Shiloh, Antietam, Bull Run, Richmond. Numbers 10 through 14. Match each item with the correct statement below. The words on top are casualties, Stonewall Jackson, Virginia, Frederick Douglass, Ulysses S. Grant. He was a Confederate general, a general for the South. Was it casualties, Stonewall Jackson, Virginia, Frederick Douglass, Ulysses S. Grant? Next, Merrimack. Next, people killed or wounded. Next, he was a Union or North general at Shiloh. And finally, he was an abolitionist, orator, or a speaker who spoke out against slavery. For the last part, choose 3 short answer questions, no more and no less. This first one. Why was the border state of Maryland vital to the Union? The next question. The Norse war plan came from which hero of the war with Mexico? What was the name of the plan? This third question. What was the Merrimack? What did the South do to it? What did they rename it to? The fourth question. Why did the Union want to control the Mississippi River and its tributaries? The fifth question. Which side won the Battle of Shiloh, and who was the winning general? Make sure you answer both parts. The sixth short answer. What was the Emancipation Proclamation? And finally, what constitutional right did Lincoln have to free enslaved African Americans in the South?